So quick rundown here of one of the vehicles that'll be coming up here. What we have here is a 93 convertible Fox body Mustang. Normally I don't get convertible Fox bodies. I'd like to stay with the notchbacks or at least a hatchback. So this is the first convertible. Really excited to see how this turns out. This is going to be a coyote swap with starting out just with some minor bolt-ons, but only thing I've done to this so far was had a new top installed this summer, and then these wheels that you see here that had the turbine wheels previously. So pretty clean car. I like it a lot. This is something I'm really excited about. Growing up as a kid, the Fox body Mustang was always one of my favorites. Next, this is my 2010 Grand Cherokee SRT8. Just got some bolt-ons to it right now. Nothing like extremely modified right now, but just bolt-on exhaust, intake, and the tune. That's about it. This one here I picked up from an awesome friend of mine down in Florida named Don. He modified this truck. We'll definitely get more into detail later on with this one here, but it's got some Lexani 24-inch wheels on it, and he's also got a fifth spare to match it sitting in the back of the truck, right along the window there in the rear, where the factory position was for the spare wheels. So yeah, 2001 7.3 Excursion. Needed something that was going to be a family vehicle but still fun for me at the same time. So this here kind of combined the best of both worlds. So this is going to be a really fun build. Really fun build. Going to do a lift kit. Going to do the front end conversion from a 2015, and then also some other interior upgrades. I'd like to upgrade to like a 2011, 2015 dash, but I'm gonna save that for last though. Just start with the outside. So yeah, that's it for the Excursion, but this is the newest addition to the family here, so super excited about this one. Super excited about this one. I'm actually both of those, the Jeep and the Excursion. It's going to be a really fun build. So yeah, and then let's go over to the Malibu so you can see that.